Hi everyone, let's make crispy Mongolian beef. This is one of those recipes that comes together really quickly. It's great for a busy night and it serves 4 people. You're going to need 500 grams of sirloin steak cut into 1-inch strips. And we're just going to toss that in 4 tablespoons of corn flour. Set the beef aside and heat up 1 cup of oil to 170 degrees Celsius. Fry the beef in 3 batches on a medium heat. Deep fry the beef until golden brown and crispy. The beef will shrink, so what may have seemed like a lot of beef in the beginning will actually only be enough for 4 people. Now onto the sauce. For this sauce, you're going to need a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of orange juice, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of ginger, 2 cloves of minced garlic, and 1 tablespoon of sriracha. And you just want to give that a good mix and cook it on a high heat for 3 to 5 minutes until thickened. I love how this recipe comes together within 20 minutes and goes well with either plain boiled rice, egg fried rice, or even noodles. At this point, we can add the beef to the sauce and just cook it for an additional 2 minutes, just long enough for the sauce to coat the beef. Garnish with toasted sesame seeds and spring onions. Serve with rice or noodles, it's entirely up to you. Thank you for watching everyone. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and if you haven't done so already, don't forget to subscribe. Bye!